Hello everyone, this is your host Red,
This is your host, Blue.
and we are live on Twitch right now. I guess we're live on Kick right now too.
We are live on Kick and YouTube also.
Okay, that's good. We are streaming multi-platform. So, yesterday I was not here due to some technical issues. Your host Blue was with you. So, let's continue quickly today. So, yesterday gold has broken into the support zone. We can see there. The thing is, gold right now has extremely high selling momentum because it has not shown any bullish momentum from the zone like it has shown previously here or here or here or here. As you can see, gold was showing extremely high bullish momentum like it would tap in and then closed heavily upside. But right now, it has closed downwards, taking this liquidity right now. We still do not know if the gold will continue downwards, but there is a high chance it will continue to the upside. Let's mark the previous day high and the previous day low. So this is the 4 hour. Yesterday we got another trade, but it was in New York session. Yes, let's remove all of this stuff. Ah, shit. Hello. So yes, let's go to the 4 hour time frame. We can see right now the previous day hand has not been taken out. Well, I guess today is yesterday is Friday, so I do not think market is going to break this level. It could break this level or goes to the upside on Monday. Well, it will depend on how the conflicts between Iran and US are on the weekends. If there is no war, which I don't think is possible, there will be slight conflicts because there are always slight conflicts during the weekend. Well, we will just have to see what kind of conflicts are there, if there are any mediations or if there is any peace talk, then it could affect gold. What do you think, Blue?
Yes, I think you are right. And if there are peace talks, then gold will pump. And if there are no peace talks and the usual continues, US strikes again, then there will gold will dump.
Well, then let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So yes, right now, the only major liquidity point is right here. So gold is going to reach this, and then we can see another short till here. So it could target this low. Right now, I only see that it will reach till here, and then we would expect a short from here, putting our SL above this and targeting the daily low. That is what I think is going to happen. It's going to take this, then take it. But the thing is, even though there is extremely there is a sellish momentum here, there is a high liquidity point right here because of the consolidation. But the thing is, the consolidation got taken out, as you could see. Let me mark it. It got taken out right here. You could see it has been manipulated and then gave down the wick. Now this is the liquidity session right here. It is going to take this and then it is going to take the daily low. That is what I have think for gold right now. Let me go to the four 1 minute moment. Let's go to the daily time frame. Yes. And let me mark the box that I accidentally dropped. You know the support zone that I accidentally deleted when I was deleting everything. Yes. It went from here, then it went from this, then showed a high bullish momentum, showed bullish momentum here, then here. Well, I guess this is it. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Hmm. Well, according to this, I guess there is no major right now. The only thing that could work is that it reaches till here, takes out this liquidity. One moment. Yes, it takes out this liquidity font right here, and then it goes down. We will target the daily low, either SL above this high. What do you think, Blue?
Yes, I agree with you. By the way, red, the stream is a little has a little bit more latency than kick. I just so you just changed to 15-minute time frame for me, so I don't know what levels you're talking about right now.
Oh, is there any way we could, take care of the latency?
Yes, I think there is. I saw the setting, but didn't know what to do. I think we can tweak a little bit.
Can we tweak it right now, or should we have to wait a little?
No, no, we can't right now during the stream.
Oh, okay. Can you check if my voice is matching what I'm showing right now on the stream, or is my voice
Should be.
coming before, or is my voice coming before the video?
Oh, okay, I'll check.
So till blue checks, let me continue. As you can see, despite the talk about the decline in the price inflation, market gold is still falling. Maybe because of its safe haven characteristic. Even though the news were pushing gold flat on the upside, the CPI data, it was pushing gold for the bullish momentum, but gold is still going downwards, and gold falls because the conflict between the Iran and US, it is getting a little bit dim. There is no major news coming forward uh, because I guess there are a little bit of peace talks, or the media is heavily manipulated right now because there is nothing showing up that much of Iran and US strikes. Maybe that is why, because of that, the tensions are easing according to the media. That is why gold is falling right now. Yes,
Hello,
we have
Red.
marked the liquidity points. Uh, there's a news, I guess, coming. The housing and machine consumer. I don't know if it is actually really good level or not. But I believe liquidity is being taken out from here to here.
Yo, Red.
Yeah, so this is what is going on. Is the magnet? Yeah, this. I don't know how many times I close the magnet, but blue always opens this up. Yeah, blue, is it done?
Yeah, the stream is fine.
Okay, well, that is good. So, yeah, I was just talking about blue. I was just talking about how, even though the news were quite pushing gold to the upside previously, you know, the CPI data,
Yes.
but there is still, even though the gold is being pushed up to the upside, because you can see according to media, the US Iran strikes and wars are getting a little bit dim, or maybe the media is getting manipulated right now, that we cannot see much of the news we were seeing before today. So maybe this is why gold is falling, because the safe haven characteristic of it is not being updated. Maybe the CPI data was released intentionally so gold could reach high, and then it could be short massively to gain massive profits. What do you think, Blue?
Yes, I agree with you. I also think that media is downplaying the war, current war.
Yes, even though there is a war right now, you can see there are much more things happening right now, and at the behind, gold is being heavily manipulated right now because of the CPI. The CPI, even though CPI was extremely bullish, yet the market is still going down because we cannot see any of the news about the war. Maybe this could all change in this weekend, because many conflicts or many peace talks happened during the weekend. So we could expect a major gap up opening from the our support zone to the upside, or we could expect another major gap down opening that completely jumps towards the downside from our support zone. Then that support zone might become a resistance zone. So yeah. I guess this is all for I guess today about gold. Let's go to the DXY chart. Yo, Blue, do you think we are missing something?
No, I don't think we're missing anything.
Okay, well then that's good. Let's go to the DXY chart. Let's go to the daily time frame. So yes, yesterday's candle has failed to gain the high or the low of Wednesday. Well, you can still mark this is the high and this is the low. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Well, as you can see, market has completely broken away from our support zone. Maybe market goes down because of support zone has been broken down. It could become a resistance zone right now. As you can see, the major reason why I think DXY is going to go downwards is because everywhere you can see there was a clean upside momentum. Well, now it has broken that zone and it has no and at the level it would escape the support zone. It has formed a doji candle with a long upper wick. That means there is a high selling pressure here, and there is an upcoming selling momentum right now here because of this thing. Are you saying this? So because of this, there's a high selling momentum right now here. Well, there was a high selling momentum here too, if you ask me. The markets were heavily downwards from here. So right now I believe that it is going to retrace upside and go to the downwards because it has already broken our zone right here. I guess it is going to we can no we can think gold is going to target what DXY is going to target downwards still here. But the main reason I think I am very a little bit skeptical about today's gold trade that I just gave is because both the DXY and the gold are on the same side. It could happen that because there is liquidity on the daily low, the closest liquidity that I think DXY has is the daily high right now here. So if the closest liquidity that we have is the daily high, I guess we can we can expect a bullish momentum till up here, and then it goes down to the huge selling momentum to the downwards. What do you think, Blue?
Yes, I agree with you. Plus, I'm not seeing the levels red because of the stream. I don't know what
Oh,
what levels you're
okay.
talking about.
Wait. Let me. Okay, if I present the screen on Discord, Twitch? Do you think the latency of the Twitch is going to increase or decrease?
No, I don't think it will affect the latency of Twitch, but it will affect your our bandwidth, and Twitch stream will just show no connections frequently because of the internet limited because the internet will be limited. Like I did
Okay.
before, I tried to present on Discord too, but I got absolutely smoked.
Well, then should I wait for some time so you could see the DXY screen that I've just marked?
Hmm. Yes.
Okay, then let's wait. I'm just going to talk. I'm not going to mark anything.
Okay.
Okay. So the closest liquidity that we have right now on the DXY chart is the previous daily high. So I guess because we can expect it to go bullish momentum from 0.724 level to 0.835 level. And because of that, I guess we could expect gold to go to the downward side, because if DXY is taking the high, then the gold is going to take the low that I just marked. If it, but the first thing I think it needs is gold to tap into the 4007 level. For gold to tap into the 4007 level, the price of DXY needs to decrease. So right now I'm a bit skeptical about this trade. I will not take this trade because I don't have all the confluences right now that I need. Yeah, that's it. I think. Yo, Blue, can you see my DXY chart?
Yes, I can see your DXY chart.
Well, you can you see do you understand what I've just marked?
Yes, you have marked a high and a low, and you're expecting to at least it go down and take liquidity and then go up, or it can take the high and then go down to take the low liquidity. And you are just saying that the gold, for gold to go to 4007 level, it has to take it has to go down, which which seems reasonable. Seems reasonable.
Yeah, yes. I was just saying that closest liquidity that DXY right now has is the previous daily high. For it to reach previous daily high, it needs to go a little bit up. And gold right now is going down, down, down. We still don't know if and we still don't know if gold is going to reach the 4016 level for it to go short. I'm expecting gold to go short, but right now because of the news because the news are heavily preferring gold to go to the upside, even though gold is continuing its bearish momentum. I'm waiting for gold to break 4016 level and go to the daily low. The thing is, gold has just broken into the slanting liquidity that was formed yesterday's night, and is slightly climbing up because there is no major liquidity right now except the 4016 level. So gold needs to fall from the 4016 level because the gold has just manipulated the 4035 level to go down. Because it has manipulated the 435th level to go down, the only liquidity that it has is the 16th level, 4016 level. I'm talking about the 15-minute time frame. So I guess this is it. I've just told what I'm expecting right now. The thing is, DXY has just taken out the slanting liquidity that was getting formed. There was, I guess, on around Thursday's 12:45 p.m. around Thursday's midnight, there was a manipulation in the consolidation chart, and then it went upside, creating little swings around the way till the 100.835 level. Well, DXY has just been going down and breaking those levels. Taking it is taking the slanting liquidity. Maybe if it takes the slanting liquidity again reaches the 100.835 level, we can expect it to go short. Well, I guess. Yo, Blue, do you think I'm missing something?
No, I don't think you're missing anything. I agree with you.
Well, I guess this is all for today. on the weekly time frame, as you can see, I the gold, the DXY is falling downwards extremely fast. DXY has just taken out the, I guess DXY has just taken out the 29th June 2026 week's liquidity is low. Well, there is, I guess it is going now. There is people, according to news, DXY is extremely bearish and gold is extremely bullish. We still don't know what is going to happen, but according to the news, we can expect shorts from, we can expect liquidity DXY to continue its bearish momentum right now. Well, I think this is it for today. You can see the live stream on Twitch, YouTube, and Cake. We will be editing it and uploading it to the into YouTube and Instagram too. You can follow us everywhere. Then
Yo,
yeah,
Red. It's against
yes.
the policy. It's against the policy to talk about other other rival platforms on Twitch.
Oh, okay. Well, we cannot we cut this part on Twitch?
Hmm? Yes, what you saying?
Cannot we cut this part on Twitch?
We'll see, but I don't know right now. But we can check.
Well, I think we have to hide today's stream on Twitch. What do you think?
Uh, this wasn't really that much. We just don't have to mention Kick and YouTube. That's
Okay, you just mentioned it too. Well, everyone, that's it for today. We hope to see you next day. I think this was day 4. We, we are Breath Paid and we are signing out.